Welcome to DFactory, the factory that develops talent, technology, innovation, and of course, in Barcelona. A factory which, like the city, is different from the rest. DFactory is consolidating Barcelona as a European capital of development for Industry 4.0, for digitalization, for transformation. Because DFactory is a hub, an ecosystem, it's the factory that develops. 3D printing, robotics, security and blockchain, artificial intelligence, sensorics, advanced manufacturing. Discover a factory of the future, aligned with the objectives of sustainable, transparent and accessible development. A job development factory. A project that will be generating 1,500 direct jobs and 5,000 indirect jobs on its 17,000 square meters of space, which will be expanded to 72,500 square meters in its second phase, located in one of the city's main hubs of activity near the harbour, the airport and Metro Line 10, and just 10 minutes from the heart of Barcelona. A factory that develops exchange, networking and national and international synergies. Promoted by the Consorci de la Zona Franca de Barcelona. Welcome to DFactory, developing everything you can imagine. Welcome to DFactory. Welcome to Barcelona.